Hey guys, I'm Chef Joya and this is Vegan on a Budget with Compare Foods. Today is all about meat substitutes and I'm going to show you how to prepare them the right way and make them absolutely delicious. Even if you're not seeking a completely vegan diet and you just want more meatless meals or you're observing Lent, these are great substitutes for you to have and you can use them in so many different ways. At Compare Foods, they have so many different items. Even this right here, this is fried gluten, which is seitan, which is made out of wheat flour. It's a great option. You actually just drain it and then you saute it and cook it. It could be like shredded beef. You can use it to make chopped chicken. It's so versatile because it comes in chunks. Next, we have hearts of palm. Now, hearts of palm is the inside, the core of the palm tree. And it's super versatile. It's usually used in a lot of vegan seafood recipes. When I prepare it, I like to use this as a replacement for vegan lobster. So make lobster rolls, lobster cakes, crab cakes. The next meat substitute we have is the soy chunks. Now, soy chunks is one of my absolute favorite because it reminds me of my childhood. It comes dried and then you reconstitute it in some water and you can use this to make chicken, steak, whatever you wanted to use for the tacos. I made this into a carne asada, which is our vegan steak, and it looks absolutely delicious. Next, we have our tofu. Now, tofu is super versatile. You already see me make it in the chicken and waffles with the plantains. I also made a chorizo and chickpea tostada with the tofu, but today I decided to turn that into a codfish fillet. Yes, a vegan codfish fillet with a little bit of sazon on it too. Next, we have our lovely mushrooms. Now, if you're gluten-free, soy-free, whatever free, just don't have a mushroom allergy, you can definitely use the mushrooms. We had our portobellos, and that's another substitute to use for your vegan steak. So if you don't want to do the soy, go ahead and use the mushrooms. It's delicious. You season that up as well the same way. Toss it around in some oil, and it's delicious. And then we also have jackfruit. Now, jackfruit has become a staple in the vegan community as a meat substitute, and you can do so many different things with it. It comes in the brine, with it in a can. You want to make sure you get all that brine out, guys. And make sure you either roast it on 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes, or you're going to put in a little bit of vegan beef bouillon or chicken bouillon, just depending on what it is that you're going to make. You're going to cover it. You're going to put it on the stove top for about 30 minutes, and you're going to let all the liquid absorb into the jackfruit, and that's the way you get all of that brine out of your jackfruit. So as you can see, being vegan is easy, affordable, and limitless. The options are out there, okay guys? So we're gonna go ahead and put together our carne asada taco. This is my favorite taco, especially whenever I used to go to the taco truck. Like, it's very simple. We're gonna use our soy chunks. Like I said, if you can't do soy, go ahead and do it with the mushroom. But when you get the soy chunks, you wanna make sure you put them in some boiling water for about 15 minutes, and then they're going to look just like this. And they're gonna be kind of squishy, right? So then you wanna put a little bit of oil in the pan and you're gonna chop it up really small with a knife, or if you have a chopper, you can use that as well. You season it with your vegan Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of liquid smoke, some chili powder, and the vegan beef bouillons that you can find at Compare Foods. You season that up, cook it for about 5 minutes, and it is perfection. It looks just like carne asada. So we're gonna take some of that and we're gonna add that to our tortillas. And I'm gonna use 2 because every time I go to the taco truck, they put 2 tortillas in, so I'm gonna do the same thing. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and add my toppings, which is super easy. We're gonna add some onions and some cilantro. Look how easy that is. Amazing. And then if you wanna be a little bit jazzy, you can add some avocado there. Oh, we can't forget about the salsa. Let's add a little bit of salsa, and boom. We're gonna have to use the Imagine Vision because we don't have smell vision, right? So here we go. My favorite part, I get to eat the food. And just imagine with me, all right? We're gonna take it here. Y'all got it, y'all got it. Y'all know I don't say nothing about my food, it's good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to check out the recipe for the carne asada tacos. And when you try this out at home, let us know what you think about it in the comments below, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Chef Joya. Ciao.